The stock market is rigged. Today, 9/11, Wall Street did the most American thing ever, which was pump the market. This is crazy. SPY goes down $8.58, 8.5 strikes before closing up, let's see, 6.5. Even crazier action on the QQQ, going down 8 strikes as well, and then closing, oh my God, look at this, 9.5 up. It's unheard of. It's the craziest day in rigged AI history. And if you traded it, the worst mistake you could have made was taking 100%, 200%, 500, 600%, because trades went 20x. Look at this madness. And this is back on the older version of our website. If you're trading, 9/11, SPY, $3,410, 10 contracts, you're turning that into $35,503. If we switch that over to the QQQ, it gets even more silly. 3,120. That's 30 contracts in total, 3 different alerts. You're turning that into 40,760 just buying and holding until the end. Absolute madness. We're going to review the whole thing, but this is all you need to know to get started. This is where we bottomed right here, and we bottomed at 1049. Why? Because NVIDIA, the most important stock in the whole market, Jensen speaking to all the Wall Street lizards, and look, they never even took this thing down very much. They got 1 strike, $1.56 below the blue. Jensen says, oh, the demand for AI is so crazy, blah, 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 blah. Customers are fighting with each other, whatever. And Wall Street did what Wall Street does best, which is absolutely kill everyone. Because literally, if you're trading this thing based off of, and let's just look at it, based off of whatever, you're drawing lines, making triangles, this, that, this is super, super bearish. But guess what? In high volume, you get one of two things, either perfect tag or a trend day. And you get both, because 1, 2, 3 bulls at the exact bottom. Oh my gosh, this goes for 978% buying and holding until the end with a 4% drawdown. That is ridiculous. That is unheard of. That is madness. But that is the market. That is what Wall Street does. It looks terrible. And if you're not watching option flow using rigged AI and seeing, hey, price is going up, all these bulls are coming in, then you're just asking to get absolutely crushed. Let's review step by step. You could have made money on the way down, on the way up, and then on the way to the freaking moon. Let's review the action starting on the QQQ in the morning. Let's turn on Komodo only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bombs, all with a high win rate and edge. That's why they're blue. Every single one of them returned over 100%, and you actually didn't get KTR. And what that means is they made money practically instantly. 267.92% with a 1.79% drawdown. That is the beauty of high volume. If you're right, you're gonna make a ton of money, and it's gonna be quick, because this is beautiful. This is what you want from an options trading system. We're giving you our 4 best alerts, and every single one of them absolutely crushes it, right? No 20% drawdown. That goes our 173. And then here, no drawdown, 186.70. Okay? When we get super low, you get one more Komodo down here. But like, we make the colors like, hey, this is like kind of red because this is 3 to -5, 457 to 455. You can trade that, but that is the danger zone. And once you get past, 5 strikes, which is 455, that is deep red. Could it keep nuking? Absolutely. That is not what happened today. We are in full send mode. Let me go back to all. And what we tell you, and we can look at this full thing. We're making this look beautiful soon. YOLO Swaggins, Elite Dev, doing all the work. We're telling you price action is trend or perfect tags. Trend means closing on a high or a low. Perfect tags means it goes up and you get a bear and it goes down. It goes down, you get a bull and it goes up. We're telling you all that. You can see it right here. And that is exactly what happens today. 1, 2, 3 bulls, and these are perfect trades, right? There's no drawdown, and that is 800%. It is very hard to wrap your brain around an 800% return and an option starting at 199 and closing at 1796. Like, that is mind-blowing. Never done it before. That was the session. This is not usual. Think like Bespoke something said like this has only happened once since like 2022. Obviously, it has never happened in rigged history, but let's talk about perfect tags, okay? You start moving up, you're getting the bulls. It keeps going, it keeps going. Then right here, this is the next Komodo alert, okay? Bear bomb, and this is actually unique because if we look at KTR, and let's just try and do Komodo only. These bombs right here, you actually tag again in this moment in time, right at 457. And the interesting thing is like, right, you can see the colors visually. This is the edge. If it's gonna go back down, this is the place. Okay, it was a good trade if you took it, right? This goes for 44.22%. This one goes for 57% without a 20% drawdown. But right here, when we don't break below 456 and continue into this deep red area, 455 and lower, you gotta watch out. But back to perfect tags, right? It goes down, you get a bull bomb, and this is a perfect alert. Never in drawdown. 739.29%. That is wild. 30-day, pretty good. Overall win rate, okay. P is 0, so I mean, it's not great. But look what happens when we get a little bit higher. This is probably where most of us sold the rest of our contracts. And that's okay. Like, don't feel bad about it. The trouble with trading is like after the market closes, obviously you have perfect information. You're like, oh, I could have sold for this, that, whatever. Just need to execute to the best of your ability. And doing that is actually right here because you get a bull chase alert. This thing has a 77.78% win rate with edge. It does not get better. Last 30 days, okay, it's won a third of the time. But 77.78% overall edge, and it goes for 6x, right? The drawdown, 15.64%. That means if you took it anywhere in here, you made money. Now, you could not have gotten KTR because guess what? It doesn't get that low. it doesn't draw down much. Not only that, perfect tags. After this comes in, one, okay, it goes down a little bit. You could have taken it. Two, another bull. Oh, it goes up to the blue line, comes back down. Another bull. Perfect tags. And guess what? You actually end up getting 9 strikes higher. Really never seen anything like it, but like, look, tag, all the way up. Pull this out really quickly. You know, you get one more bear here. That is Komodo, 88.89% with edge, 30 days, you're getting 0. We changed this. Previously, everything said 0. Now, if there are no results, it'll say NA. But 0% in the last 30, price is going up. You're getting bull after bull after bull. I mean, this is not a bad setup, right? And this is a fake out because you're at the blue. You think, oh, it's going to come back down. And historically, 88.89% of the time, it has. It didn't today. And that's okay because like on high volume, full send tradability that we show you right down here, if you are wrong and you take out, stomp out 20%, right? And you just take the next trade, you take the next trade and you're getting another 584% with no drawdown. Like that's what it should feel like, people. When you're in the right trade, it just wins. There is no like, oh, I should add to it, whatever. That's why losers stomp out at 20% and let your winners run. This was a crazy session. Everything in here, it's like unheard of. It's never been seen before in the history of rigged. So don't feel bad if you didn't trade it perfectly. You didn't get 500, 600%. Literally had a trade that we got in for 11 cents out of YOLO. It closed at like $500. We took some profit, then we didn't set our stop loss, take profit correctly, and missed like 40x. Whatever. It happens. It was a small trade. But the beautiful thing is, if you're using rigged and you're copy trading Wall Street, like it was there. And all you need is one session like this. It can change your life. I mean, it's incredible. Congratulations to everyone. High volume, full send. It's like impossible not to make money because even when you switch, right? Okay, you're in this. It makes a little bit. You stop out at break even, you stop out, you lose 20%. You hold it too long. If you switch into the next alert, you get 600%. Just absolutely incredible. Congratulations to all of you. Thanks for being here. Let's see what happens tomorrow in the market. Who knows, right? Who knows? But this is what we do know. When you see volume going up like this, look at this purple line. You see this thing spiking? Maybe we should do something different, change it. You see this spike and you see it price following? Do not try and go the opposite way. Because look at this thing. It's flat, it's flat, it's flat. But as soon as we get to the blue, what happens? Volume picks up. This is institutional option flow. And guess what? You're getting the perfect tags and price follows. Oh my God, the stock market is rigged, but we're building the system to help retail win. Copytrade Wall Street. Or else what? You're going to draw some lines and get killed? Come on.